If you want to know how to make your breasts grow naturally, should anyone stop you? You deserve to have bigger breasts as much as anyone else, and if you want to do it naturally, that is your choice. There is nothing wrong with going for natural breast enhancement techniques. They are in fact safer and in most cases, less expensive. But try as you might, you are not likely to come across any article showing you how to make your breasts grow naturally overnight. Indeed, it may take a while before you can start to see an improvement in your breast size because natural methods do not offer midnight miracles, but you can be certain that the results will last longer and that there are no side effects even after so many years. To grow your breast naturally, you need to exercise. This you must be already doing if you are a health buff who considers fitness exercises as essential to good health. However, there are specific exercises that you need to do if you want your bra size to increase by at least a cup. The kinds of exercises you must engage in are those that target the pectoral muscles. A particular favorite of many because it is very simple and easy to do is the wall push-up. This exercise does not require any equipment, not even an exercise mat. All is required is for you is to stand a few feet away from a wall. Position your palms on the wall in such a way that the distance between them is just a bit bigger than the length of your shoulders. Now, push against the wall, bending your elbows and tightening your abs as you do so. Then pull yourself away by straightening your elbows. Do this set of push and pull about 5 or 7 times daily. Yoga exercises are also effective in increasing the size of the bust line. If you have done yoga before, then you shouldn't find the exercises, particularly the cobra posture and the sukhasana, difficult. However, if you haven't done anything like this in your life, it would be wise to enroll yourself in yoga classes first to understand the yoga principles and learn basic yoga techniques for you to fully appreciate the benefits of yoga in increasing breast size. Doing a breast massage may, too, increase your breast size naturally. Breast massages have to be properly done, though, for them to be truly effective. Apparently, you cannot just perform moves which you think constitute a breast massage. You must be able to identify the points where and when gentle pressure is required. Applying too much pressure at the start of the massage is discouraged as this can impede blood flow to the breast, in which case the breast massage will no longer be able to serve its purpose. Make time to watch videos showing you how to do a breast massage correctly. Experts recommend using fenugreek oil, which has estrogenic properties, or breast enhancing cream when doing a breast massage for 2 reasons. 1. To reduce friction or discomfort, and 2. To get the body to respond better, powering up the breast cells and breast tissues. If you have read the first sentence down to the last of this article teaching you how to make your breasts grow naturally, you should be already on your way to achieving bigger, fuller, and more beautiful breasts in a few weeks' time. Now, here's a secret. I finally discovered a safe way on how to make your breasts grow naturally that is simple and fast. You do not need any surgery or exercises or pills. In fact, it is the easiest herbal breast enhancement available today.